Hey, so I've got a super quick video for you here today, guys, on how I turned $120 of investment into YouTube automation, and it turned into a little over $6,000 in around about 75 days. The other video has been live for 60 days, and as you can see, it's earned a little shy of $2,300, and this video here has earned $3,800, and this is currently on average making around $50 per day. And this video right here is currently making also around 60 to $70 per day. So the way that I did this is basically I just pay people to make these videos. So these videos themselves are product list videos, super easy to make. As you can see, a lot of the views come from suggested or browse feature, a little bit from search, again, a little bit from search, but a lot of it from suggested and browse. So that's getting suggested to people when they're watching other videos. And also browse feature is typically the home page. So as soon as they open up YouTube, this is the video that they're going to see. So these videos are each 20 minutes in length. And if I go over here and look at the RPM on this video is about $10. And the RPM on this video right here is around about $12.81. So they don't have a ton of views actually. This one's got a fairly decent amount, almost 370,000, and it's getting thousands of views per day. So by the end of the year, it's probably going to be at 1 million views. But these videos are earning decent money every single day and every single month. As you can see, it's a very nice steady chart. Again, here, very nice and steady chart every single day, just trickling along, making me $50 to $100 per day. Same thing over here, making me around $50 to $100 per day. So in 2 months, this video has turned $60 into a little bit less than $2,300. So if you do the maths, that video on average is earning me about $38 per day. And as you can see, currently it's making quite a bit more than that. Yesterday or today was a little shy of $66. So again, the way that I do this is I just fully outsource this to a team. I don't have any input in these videos, and each 20-minute video costs me $60. So I'm basically paying $3 per minute of footage, and they write the scripts for me, they make the voiceover for me, they put together the video for me, everything that's included. And this doesn't even include the affiliate revenue that I've made. So let me go and double check how much that is made in affiliate revenue. It is currently made $2,800 in affiliate revenue from these two videos. So in total, that's almost $9,000 from $120. So if you do the maths, that is 75 times my money. So you can either go ahead and play around with meme coins, right? And gamble your money, or you can invest into something that produces you cash flow every single day that you can 100% automate. The thumbnails get made for me, the scripts get written for me, the videos get edited for me, the voiceovers get done for me, and they get uploaded with all of the links to the products that I recommend in that actual product list video. Everything gets done for me for $60 per video. If the video is 20 minutes, if the video is 10 minutes, all of that gets done for 30 minutes. Now, I typically upload one of these every single day, and that on average generates me around about $250 to $300 per day from all of the videos that I have. Some of them, like these two, are kind of like outliers where they make the most of the money. To be honest with you, it's like the 80-20 rule. 20% of the results, right, are coming from, or 80% of the results, sorry, are coming from 20% of the videos. So if I upload 30 videos per month, then roughly like six of them are actually going to earn me the bulk of the income. The other ones are either going to break even or slightly lose me a bit of money, but it doesn't really matter because every one of those videos has affiliate links. So I typically make back my money on every single video. And then you have outlier videos like these ones that within the first 2 months makes $2,300 and continues to make me money every single day. And as the holiday season comes up to the end of the year, these channels are going to make a lot more money because the RPMs are going to skyrocket, and so are the affiliate commissions of me recommending these products. Now, this is just a short video. I just wanted to share with you a little bit of proof because there's a lot of YouTube automation BS out there, to be honest with you. A lot of things that you can invest your money into. And I really think that something like this, even if you just uploaded a couple videos per week, it can earn you a very nice amount of money, to be honest with you. 75 times my money on these two videos. I really cannot complain. I put around $2,000 per month, between $1,500 and $2,000 per month into this channel. and the channel makes around $7,500 to $10,000 in just AdSense, plus the affiliate commissions, which are usually a few $1,000s per month, typically between $1,000 and $4,000, depending on the month. So it's a really good return on investment. If you have any questions, by the way, let me know in the comment section down below. Be happy to help you. I also have a link to a free Telegram down there, so you can shoot me any questions there, and I'd be more than happy to answer any questions that you have. I just wanted to record this really short video because YouTube automation is the best. I think it's one of the best business models that you can get into, especially for somebody starting out who doesn't have too much money to invest. It's really easy. You can automate the entire process. All you need is a few $1,000s to start out, and you can get everything up and running and making you at least $5,000-$10,000 per month after you've had your channels up and posting regularly for a short amount of time. With that being said, again, if you like this video, hit a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, subscribe, because I'm going to be doing more in-depth tutorials on exactly how these videos are made, how I find staff, how I get the videos completely automated for me. So if you want to see how I do that, subscribe to the channel, and I will catch you guys in the next one.